CSS selectors. What are various selectors are available, sir? Anyone can you please confirm? Yes, sir. There are total 8 types are available. Total how many types are available, sir? 8 are available. In that, the first 3 are basic selectors. Basic selectors. The first 3 are basic selectors. Basic selectors are nothing but basic CSS selectors, right? Okay, basic CSS selectors. Sir, element selectors. Element selectors. Next, second one, sir, ID selectors. Next, what is the next one? Class selectors. Regarding class selectors, like we covered, ID selectors, class selectors, like this we covered, right? Next, after completing that, even advanced CSS selectors also we covered, sir. Advanced CSS selectors also we discussed. Have you remembered, right? Advanced CSS selectors are, do you know which are advanced CSS selectors, right? Sir, star selector. Regarding star selector. Next, descendant selector. Okay. Next, adjacent selector with plus symbol in the middle. Next, after that, attribute selector. Okay, attribute selector. Next, after attribute selector, nth of type selector. Okay, like these are various selectors whatever we covered at the part of CSS, right? So now almost basic idea about these things already everyone has, but still I want to go for just a small example so that you people can get much clarity about this. 1 or 2 examples I want to discuss for you people so that you can able to get much clarity about this terminology, right? One by one we have to discuss about that, sir. Sir, here take very special care. What about my thing is I don't want to type again because already I have an HTML page is there. For that HTML, you require to apply, sir, CSS styles. Okay, all these 8 styles, a small hands-on experience by default you are going to get, I'm sure, sir. Sir, just CSS demos like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, here if you consider assignment, sir, maybe assignment like this. Yes, here have a look once, sir. Assignment like this, sir. CSS assignment. Next, and after that, you know, even have you remembered this one? Have you remembered somewhere we covered already, right? Yes, ma'am. Have you remembered this one? We covered already. Yes or no? You respond. Yes or no? We covered already this part. Yes. Okay. This real, like how you can able to link. So just observe a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Sir, here what data is there? What data is there, sir? Now here just observe how this page looks like. How this page looks like. I want to do that. 1 minute. Here how this one looks like. Just observe a bit carefully. Yes, have you observed? This is H1 data. This is H2 data. H2 data like this. Next, the important brands are like one UL is there. Next, this is the first paragraph. This is the second paragraph. Next, this is input. Label text field is there. Password text field is there. Next, here anchor tags are there. Gmail, YouTube. Next, and after that Facebook. Like this, anchor tags are available. Okay. Next, select your favorite heroine. Something like do you know check boxes are there. That's all. So this is the code whatever I have. Everyone can able to understand, right? So 2 paragraphs are there. Like H1 tag is there like this. For this page, my target is I want to apply CSS styling. Okay, you people should aware, sir. So this is assignment.html, right? Now let me generate assignment.css. Okay, something is there. I don't want to worry about. Just I make as empty. So today we have to perform postmortem on 2 examples. So this is the first example, right? So first question: how I can link CSS to the HTML? Anyone can you please tell which tag I require to use? Which tag I require to use? I want to link CSS with HTML. Which tag I require to use? Link tag. Remember, here relation style sheet. This is href. What is that href, sir? Assignment. Okay, assignment dot css. Are you getting? Now this CSS file linked with CSS, no problem at all. Sir, h1 tag is there. Next 3 h2 tags are there. Next one h3 is there. Next and after that, okay, ul is there. Next, there is the first paragraph is there. Here class hello I'm taking. Second paragraph is there. Class ID special I'm taking. Next, here labels are name and sir input type text field is there. Label password and input type text field is there. Password. Are you getting name and password? Here anchor tags are available, sir. Gmail, YouTube, and so on. Gmail, YouTube, and so on. Anchor tags are available. Observe that anchor tags are available, right? Select your favorite heroine. Like here, do you know? Again, it is the list. Again, it is the list where list items are checkboxes. Where the list items are checkboxes. The first Sunny and Malika already by default checked, sir. By default checked. Something is there. Now have a look once how it looks like. Yes, this is h1 tag. These are the h2 tags. Next the important brands are ul. Next the first paragraph, second paragraph. Yes, so this is the label text field. This is the password field. Gmail, YouTube, Facebook. Next select your favorite brands, favorite heroine, something like you have. Okay, well, so this is the small chota example what we have. Now take a bit very special care, sir. How to use these selectors? This is about my requirement, right? Okay, sir. Question number 1. What is the code? What is the requirement? Is set body tag background color with I will give some background color, sir. Can you please set body tag body background color? Okay, can you please set body background color? Body background color with sir BDC. Okay, like 646. This is the hash code I'm providing, sir. Can you please set with this color? Can you please set with this color? This is about my requirement. Anyone? Can you please tell in the CSS what code I have to take? Please respond. Already you should have some idea. Total body background should be with this color. Okay, in the CSS, what thing I have to take? Body tag element. This is the element selector, right? Next, background. Are you getting background? Sir, what is the color we have? Is nothing but this is the color. Are you getting background like this, right? This is the color we have. Are you getting? If you can set this one, then automatically it is going to be affected in our 1 minute. Let me open this one, sir. Yes, if I can take background color CSS, if I can take a body background, now observe that total body background with this light color. Any doubt? Are you able to understand, right? Yes, how to set background color. Okay, like this is the first thing what you should event. Now the second one, set h1 text color. Okay, set h1 text color with the hash symbol 9b 79b8. This is about my requirement, right? Set h1 text color with the hash like this, right? Anyone can you please tell? H1 text color, sir. Again, element selector H1 like a color, text color. Earlier background color, now color. What I'm expecting, sir? Some code. What internally this color? I don't want to worry about that. Okay, that's all. Now have a look once. Let me take this code, sir. Only H1 tag. By default is going to be text color. By default will be changed, sir. Yes, ma'am. Are you able to see the change in the H1 color tag or not? Yes, that's all. So if you want to set only for a particular, what is the way, sir? Okay, well, now I'm taking third one, sir. Make all H2 tags with the yellow color. make all H2 tags, make all H2 tags with the yellow color, with the yellow color, right? Anyone, can you please tell? Yes, yes, immediately you have to tell, so don't wait until asking. Yeah, set yellow color with all H2 tags with yellow color. Sir, color column, what is the color you want, sir? Yellow, like this. What is the color you want? Yellow, like this, right? Now let me cross check, is really is going to be affected or not. Okay, now observe a bit carefully, sir. This is the H2, sir. Now observe that carefully. Yes, ma'am, perfectly it's going to work. Any doubt, Abbas? Are you able to understand, right? H2 like this by default we are going to get. Next, what is my next terminology? Sir, one by one I'm talking. Sir, fourth one, make all Li elements with the blue color, but consider a hexacode. Oh, make all Li elements, list item Li elements, with the blue color, with the blue color. But you should choose, okay, hexacode, sir. Hexacode. Okay. Oh, this is the question. Now, what I have to do is, okay, all Li. Sir, text color is blue. I can take it. It's going to work. But the question requirement is we have to choose the hexacode. Don't use blue. Oh, for the blue, hexacode must be required. Then what is the way? Because you have that knowledge or not. That's about they are checking, sir. Sir, google.com. Here just I'm taking color picker, like this I'm taking, sir. Yes, blue color you require, right? Yes, wonderful, sir. Which blue color you want, sir? Dark blue I want. Okay, this blue I want, sir. Assume that it's not blue, maybe mixed color I want, sir. Here, do you know this blue color I want, sir? Assume that. Then what is the hexacode? You have this type of knowledge or not? That is what just this question intention. Now here, instead of blue, let me take this one. Regarding, if you have this type of knowledge, then you have flexible colors, plenty of colors are available, right? Okay, now, sir, like this. Sir, now my question is, how many LIs are there in our HTML? This is here, all these are LIs. Next time after that, here also LIs are there. Sunny, Malika, Vena Malik, all these are LIs. Okay, like now here just I saved this code. Already. Let me send the request. Yes, can you please observe that here blue colors are coming. Here also blue colors are coming. Remember this one, sir. Here blue color is coming. Suppose if I remove that, okay, now blue color won't be there. If you want, you can observe. I commented that, then blue color by default gone. Regarding blue color won't be there. Blue color by default will be gone. That's why make sure, sir. This is how you can able to set a blue color. Okay, that's all. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Everyone in a position to understand, right? Sir, how you can choose exact code also, color picker from the Google. Happily you can able to select the right. Next, fifth one, sir. Sir, change background of every paragraph. Change background of every paragraph, sir. Every paragraph with the white color. This is about my requirement. Can you please guide? Correct. Can you please guide? Sir, P, Abbas, good. P, sir, background. Are you getting that? P, background. Okay. P, background is which color, sir? White color I want. Then automatically, sir, happily you can keep this one automatically. Yes, here just have a look once. How many paragraphs are there? This is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph, right? 2 paragraphs are available. Now let me refresh. Automatically 2 paragraphs with the white color is going to come in the picture. Wonderful, right? Are you able to get now? Slowly, element by element we are doing styling so that we will get hands-on. Remember, sir, fifth one completed. Now sixth one I'm taking, sir. Make all inputs make all inputs, make all inputs, okay, observe all inputs have a 5 pixel, border with the red color. Of course, solid border I want. This is about my requirement, right? Make all input fields have a 5px border with the red color. Sir, in our example, how many input fields are there? Yes, this is first input field. This is the second input field. Sir, I want border for this. I want border for this, like this. Red color border I want. Then automatically, anyone can you please guide, sir? What is the code I have to take? Please respond. Input tag, okay, like border is sir 5px, sir solid red color border, 5px solid red color border, like this I'm going to take. Are you getting? Now have a look once. Now I'm taking like this. Observe that carefully. Automatically red color border is coming or not? Yes, border solid 5px, red color border by default is going to come. Unruffled, sir. Okay, it's reflecting. Next point. Okay, next one. 7th one, sir. Observe that. Sir, set blue background with the class attribute hello. Oh, set blue background with the class attribute hello, like this, right? With the class attribute hello, and the text color as white, this is about my requirement, right? And the text color as white, like this, right? Sir, now the point here is, legend, sir, for class attribute hello, oh, there is one class attribute hello is there. Sir, which one is the class attribute hello, sir? Just let me open my HTML. Are you seeing anywhere hello? Oh, first paragraph, man. First paragraph, hello class is there, sir. For the first paragraph, blue color background, white color text I want. Hello, it is the class selector we require to use, right? Anyone can you please tell? Guide? Class selector. Class selector, what we have to take? Dot hello. Regarding if it is the ID selector, hash symbol. Class selector, dot, don't forget. Dot, yes, background. Which colors are? Blue color I want. Text color, color means a text color, white I want. Regarding color, text color, white I want, right? Okay, just observe a bit carefully about this terminology, right? Now my question is, yes, is it really is going to be affected or not? We have to decide. Regarding, just observe first paragraph. Perfect, it's working. Yes, blue color background and white text. It's working properly, sir. No problem at all. Okay, now my next possibility, sir. 8th one, just observe that. Give 10 pixel orange solid border for here. Just observe that. Give 10 pixel orange solid border for ID attribute. Special. Oh, there is one special attribute is there, sir, but it is ID attribute special. So for that ID attribute special, you require to give the border. That border is the 10 pixel orange solid border, like this. How you can able to do, sir? What is that element first? Special means oh, second paragraph, man. Earlier hello means first paragraph. Here ID is there, second paragraph. How you can able to take? Yes, can you please guide the code? Yes, hash symbol, which one, sir? Hash symbol for which one? Special. Okay, observe. Yes, Abbas, here this one is nothing but ID. Based on the ID, hash symbol we require to use. If it is the class, dot symbol we require to use. Remember that it is the fixed, sir. Special. Next, border. Which border? 10 pixel. Okay, solid orange border I want. Then automatically like let me copy paste this code in my CSS file. Okay, here in my CSS, just I'm copy paste right. Here, just observe that a bit very carefully, son. Yes, perfect, it's working. Regarding the second paragraph, an orange border by default I'm in a position to provide. Getting any doubt? Okay. Next, ninth one, sir. Ninth one, observe that. Sir, what is about make only inputs? Here, observe. Make only inputs with the type text. Sir, if anywhere type text is there, have green background. Green background. This is about my requirement. Sir, what it means? Make input tag with the type text. Input tag with the type text. Make background as green. Sir, which selector we will go out of our 8 selectors? Good. This type of selector is called what? This type of selector is called which selector we should go for that? Which type of selector? Attribute selector. This one is nothing but attribute selector, right? Okay, well, Soman, you are asking something. Sir, can I use the class in the last paragraph? Okay, you can use class or ID, no problem at all. Based on ID or class, you have to define the style. You can use class, you can use ID, no problem at all. If ID is there, how you can style? If class is there, how you can style? That's what you have to practice. Yeah, make only inputs. Can you please guide, sir? How I can able to take? Sir, here we have 2 text fields are there. This is the input type, but this one is the type password, sir. Second one is the type password. That's why I don't want to talk. This is input type is equal to text. Input type is equal to text. That's why only for the first paragraph, background, green background I'm expecting. Can you please guide, sir? Input type is equal to text. Input type is equal to text. Do you know input type is equal to text I'm taking. Input type is equal to text. Okay. So which background you are expecting, sir? Background is green. Like this I'm expecting. Regarding background, which background we are expecting, sir? Green background we are expecting. Can you please let me copy paste? Let me copy paste here. Is it going to be affected or not? You have to cross check, sir. Okay, perfect. Now observe that is it going to work or not? Observe a bit carefully, sir. Yes. Are you in a position to see, right? Yes. Background, green color background is always there. Clear? Yes. Okay. Next, one more thing I have to discuss, right? This is also a bit. I mean, all cases just observe 9th one. Next, make all checked boxes. Make all checked boxes. All checked boxes. Having boxes have a left margin. Have a left margin on 50 pixel. Have a left margin on 50 pixel. Then immediately, sir, we didn't cover what is the margin and so on like this, right? What the margin like this we didn't cover, sir. Okay, like general word. Have you ever used margin in your notes? Array, please keep some margin and then take the notes in the page. Can you please give the margin and then please take like this, right? You may hard try. So usually in our exam also, we never going to start from leftmost corner. Regarding, we never going to start in the exam paper also leftmost. Just we will give some margin. We will give some margin and then we will start. Do you know? So we will fold. We will something like we will fold. Yes, up to this. Assume that up to this, and then here we will start writing the thing. This thing itself is nothing but margin like this. So for every element, sir, you have, sir, left margin, right margin, next top margin, bottom margin. Is nothing but 4 margins are there. Maybe we will discuss in the box model in the next, just to get the basic idea, right? Sir, this is element to element. Assume that this is the first element, this is the second element, 2 elements are there. This is called left top margin, bottom margin, left margin, right margin. For this left margin, sir, right, top, bottom, and then right, like that. So between element to element, how much distance is there? Or between border to element, how much distance is there is by default considered as margin. Remember that there are 4 edges will be there: content edge, next a border edge, margin edge. Like there are four padding. Like there are 4 things are there. But as of now, just aware what is margin. In our exam paper, instead of starting from top leftmost place, what we will do is just I will give some margin. Okay, like just 3 or 4 characters space I will give, and then here onwards I will start writing the things. This is nothing but whatever we provided is called margin. Remember that. Any doubt? Can you please observe? Any doubt? What is the meaning of margin? But how you can set the margin, sir? Sir, can you please observe? Make all checked boxes have a left margin of 50 pixel. Sir, first what is the checked text fields are there, sir? Sir, first this is Sunny. Sunny, it is already checked. Malika, it's already checked. If you want, observe that Sunny and Malika already checked. Sir, how much left margin you want? Sir, like make all checked boxes have 50 pixel left margin, something like 50 pixel left margin. Like what you can take, input colon checker. Are you getting? Input colon checker. But anyway, we are going to discuss this in the next level. Don't worry, sir. Input colon checker. Sir, margin left. How many pixels, sir? 50 pixel. I'm taking, sir. How many pixel? 50 pixel. Like this, I'm taking. Sir, this is advanced another selector, but anyway, don't worry about that. We never going to use, but having some idea. Oh, other than these 8, some more extra things are there. Like you have to give it. Now here, just observe that. Just have a look once, sir. Here, just I placed this one. Now, is there any change in the place or not? Can you please observe that? Refreshing. Yes, ma'am. Here, this checked box moved 50 cells. Sir, margin of 50 pixel already there. Sir, have you observed? Here, more space by default will be there. But here, very lesser space. If you want, you can let me take sir some 200 pixel. Then you can see much difference. Then we can see much difference. Okay, like yes, 200 pixel. Then you are seeing much difference, right? Any doubt? Okay, that's all. Here, yeah, Lavanya, 1 minute. Just let me show. Yes, here we have name Lavanya. To give that, here value is not checked. Have you observed? Value is empty. Observe that value is empty. Checked is the different, and the value name and value are different. Clear, right? That's why you can't use like. Okay. Next. Sir, what is the next example, sir? I mean next case. Okay, well, this is a bit advanced, sir. Take a special care about this one. Next, labels. Sir, this is the label. Name and the password are labels, right? Name and label, password, sir. Name and password are label. Can you please consider? Yes, ma'am. This is the label name, and this is also label password. Label name and the label password. Like this we have. Sir, these two are labels. Now, sir, have you observed, right? In this name, N capital, the remaining are lowercase. And here also P capital, the remaining are lowercase. Are you getting? N capital, remaining are lowercase, P capital, remaining are lowercase, right? Now the point here is take very special care. Now my question is make all label elements. Uppercase. Oh, uppercase without changing HTML. Without changing HTML. Wow, wonderful. Sir, make all label elements uppercase without changing HTML. Sir, don't touch HTML. you have to change the content as uppercase. Is it possible or not? Yes, possible, man. That is the power of CSS. Here, what I will take here is sir label, label. Next here. So there is one property is there. Text transform. Are you getting what is that property, sir? Text transform. Boss, can you please transform my text transform, sir, to which one, sir? Uppercase like this. Text transform to uppercase. Okay, now here just observe, I want to type here. I want to type, sir. Just I'm trying to type here, observe, because whenever you are typing in the IDE, you will get automatically the values, right? Sir, here I'm taking label. Now text transform. Are you getting text transform? Are you able to get right? Text transform. Now which one you want to take, sir? Uppercase. Are you getting uppercase? Sir, I want uppercase like this, right? Uppercase like you are going to get. Any doubt? Okay. Now really, either things are going to be changed as uppercase or not. Sir, here name is in lowercase and password is also lowercase only. All labels, wherever label is there, can you please transform that text into uppercase? Like this I'm asking. Now have a look once. Can you please 1 minute? Am I saved this code? Text transform uppercase. Text transform uppercase like yes, label, correct? Sorry, spelling label, label. Okay, now have a look once, sir. Have a look once. Yes, can you please observe that name and password converted into uppercase or not? Name and password converted into uppercase. Yes, that is the label. If you want for all labels common styling, we can able to do that. That thing is also possible. Text transform is uppercase. You have to select. Okay, like next case, right? Yes, after this there are almost around 11 we covered. Next here legend a bit very carefully, sir. Yes, in this case text transform is applicable for anything. Don't worry, it is available for H1, it's available for H2, everywhere it's applicable. Wherever text is there, text transform is by default applicable. Abbas, don't feel it is applicable only for label. But here we define this styling only for label. That's why reflecting only for label. Suppose instead of label H1 I'm taking, then automatically H1 text by default will be converted into uppercase. Clear? Yeah. Now, sir, next one is the very important, sir. Observe. Make the first letter. Make the first letter of the element with the ID is equal to special. Boss, there is one element is there with the ID special is there with the green color and 100 pixel font size. Are you getting 100 pixel font size? So observe it very carefully. Make first letter of the element with ID special. So which one is the special? In the first letter, only first letter, sir. This is about my requirement. Only first letter. Then what is the way? How you can able to specify? So first special, where it is there? Oh, ID man, second paragraph. What is the first letter in that second paragraph? Can you please tell what is the first letter in that second paragraph? ID the special. What is the first letter? Hey, respond, man. What is the first letter? ID, this is what is the first letter? L. So this L, I want 100 pixel font size and the green color. Wow, wonderful, sir. How you can able to use as special colon first letter. Are you getting colon first letter? Remember this one. These things are given to advanced. Colon first letter. Color is green. Next font size. Here font size. Okay, font size. What is the font size I'm taking, sir? 100 pixel. Are you getting font size? I'm taking as 100 pixel. I'm taking, sir. Now take a bit very special care. What is the output by default you are going to get, sir? I mean, just have a look once. Have a look once. Yes. Here, special first letter, color green, and a font size 100 pixel. Now, observe that carefully, sir. Now, here this L, how it looks like. Now, observe, refresh. Yeah, wonderful. Are you in the position to understand, right? Clear, right? Okay, next font size 100. Now, the next terminology, sir. Take a bit very special care. Make all here. This is also very important, sir. Very important. Just observe a bit. Don't feel, sir. Sir is only covered things. Even some uncovered things also I'm telling, because to create some idea, boss. There may be a chance of this type of possibilities also. In the next session, somewhere we may going to discuss. Don't worry, sir. Make here H1 element. Make H1 element color change to white. Make color change to white. When H over and give 10 pixel solid red border. Solid red border. Wow. What it is, man? What it means? Can you please observe that? Make H1 element color change to white. H1 border, H1 color change to white when H hovered. Are you getting right? Hovered. This one is nothing but hovered. Hovered means if the mouse is going there, automatically it has to change. And give 10 pixel solid border like this. This is about my requirement, right? What we have to take? H1 tag. H1 tag. H over. Are you getting hover? Hover like this we are going to use. H over like this, right? H1, H over. Next, what I have to take? Color. Color is white color. I'm expecting. Color is white color. I'm expecting, sir. After color is white color, border is sir 10 pixel solid red border I want. 10 pixel solid red border I want. Are you able to understand, right? 10 pixel solid red border like. Now take a bit special care. Observe carefully, sir. H1, H over, color white, border 10 pixel solid red border like this I'm taking, sir. What is the output by default you are going to get? Observe carefully, sir. Is it really is going to be happen or not? A bit interesting feature. Observe carefully, sir. Refresh. Now, where is the H1 tag? Where is the H1 tag? Yes. Yeah. Have you observed, right? Have you observed? Now the text color by default will be changed. Now the text color by default will be changed, and automatically border by default is going to come. Text color by default changed automatically like this. It's going to come. Any doubt? Yes. Are you in the position to understand, right? Okay, that's all. This is a hover, H over, or otherwise hover, like hovering, like it's a very common word. Hover. Some people may pronounce H over. Hover is the very common word. Hovering means just the mouse moving like this, right? Next, sir, now make all A elements. Make all A elements, anchor elements that have been visited with the yellow color. Yeah, it's a very common requirement, right? It's a very common requirement, right? Make all anchor elements that have been visited with yellow color. This is about my requirement, sir. This link already visited. This link is already visited. Like how you can able to show, sir? Very simple. A colon visited. A colon visited. Color is yellow color. Color is yellow color. That's all. So it's a very simple, sir. Make all A elements that have been visited with yellow color like this, right? Let me type this. Maybe it's going to provide some more extra attributes. A colon. Have you observed, right? A colon, after, before, first letter, first line, selection, like there are colon, visited. Have you observed? Valid, visited, active, like over, invalid, like sir, here visited, like what you have to take, color is yellow color, like this we have to take. That's all. Let me save this code. Let me refresh. Okay, well, now here, have you observed? Because I may be clicked already. That's why, like I may be clicked already. It's coming to the yellow color. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. What I will take is, let me just take one more browser, maybe. Yes, because why this one is visiting? Yeah, here just what is the colors? Yellow color by default it's going to come, sir. Yellow color by default is going to come because we visited. Now I will do one thing. Let me change some color. My CSS in the CSS yellow no, white color I want. Assume that white color I want. If it is already visited, if it is already visited, then automatically white, because these things are already visited, like maybe here just observe that. 1 minute, let me add another new link. Okay, have you observed, right? Now you can able to see the difference. All the previous three are in white color because the reason is already you visited this, but this one is coming in the blue color because you didn't visit this. Let me click this one. Now Amazon, the control will go to the Amazon. Let me open this one. Yes, it's also became white because already you visited this one. Regarding already you visited like this. I hope everyone can able to understand, right? So this is the beautiful examples what you people should aware. Okay, like all. So this is just it's a small hands-on experience, hands-on exercise to get much clarity, right? Okay, make sure it's already there in our material, sir. Just go through that. Go through that. It's already there in our HTML. Okay, in our material. Okay, sir, what is the next thing I have to discuss for you people, right? Sir, one more thing I have to discuss with a bit small advanced, some more properties I want to take, sir. What is that is, let me open assignment 2. Sir, up to this, any doubt? Can you please confirm? Everyone in a position, how to set the background color, how to set H1 text color, how to make all H2 color tags. Next, a particular LI, sir, LI blue color, all LI text with the blue color. Change the background of every paragraph. Next, and after the particular border, how to give the border. Next, blue background with attribute like a hello. Based on class selector, how you can change the properties. Based on ID selector, how you can change attribute selector. Next, this one is nothing but even I'm not sure, but anyway, a bit advanced. This type of possibilities also there. Input colon checked. Okay, like first letter, visited, over, visited, like these things you should aware. Almost all the things I hope. Now, next one more example, sir. One more example I have to talk. Just have a look once, sir. What is my next example? Yes. Here, listen carefully. I have one more example is there, sir. Assignment 2. Can you please tell? Let me comment this one. CSS I don't want. How this looks like? How this assignment 2 looks like? Just let me open this one. Without, sir, oh, have you observed, right? What is this one? This para is outside of div. This para is inside of first div. This para inside of first div. This para inside of first div. This is para inside of second div. Next, the third div outside of div. Regarding, sir, very simple. there are 3 div tags I'm taking. In every div, 3 paragraphs I'm taking. First, sir, this is the para in the first div. These 3 are paras in the second div. These 3 are paras in the third div. Next, this is outside of the div, and this one is also outside of the div. Now observe the coding. Observe the coding. Then you can able to see, yes, sir, this is the paragraph. Nowhere related to sir div. Next, this is the div. In that, these are the 3 paragraphs are there. This is the div. In that, 3 paragraphs are there. Next, this is the div. 3 paragraphs are there. Next, this one, last one is nothing but outside. Any doubt? Are you able to understand, right? Okay. So these are the things what you should aware. Next, moreover, in every paragraph, in every paragraph, I'm doing something. In every paragraph, I'm doing something. I'm doing something. Do you know EM is there? Have you remembered what is the EM? EM means what? Somewhere we covered. EM means what? Emphasis. Emphasis. Emphasis means italic, right? Okay. Italic. EM means italic. Emphasis. Italic in the old version. But in the CSS5, HTML5, we can use the word italic like this, right? Okay. Now, what is the next thing we require to talk here? Just observe the corresponding HTML. Okay. Let me go for CSS, right? Yes. Now, everyone having some idea how it looks like. Okay. There are 3 divs are there. Inside the div, 3 paragraphs are there. In every div, 3 paragraphs are there. Next, outside of the 1 paragraph, even last also, I'm taking 1 paragraph outside of div. Okay, this is like I'm taking, sir. Now, my question is here. Just take a bit very special care, sir. What is the make all paragraphs that are nested inside the div with the 25 pixel font size. Okay, just have a look once. Make this is about second assignment, right? Okay, make all piece that are nested. Make all pieces that are nested inside a div with the 25 pixel font size. With the 25 pixel font size like this I'm taking, sir. With the 25 pixel font size like this I'm taking. Okay, like this I'm taking, sir. Here see all paragraphs that are nested inside the div with the 25 pixel font size. This is about my requirement, right? How you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. That are nested inside the div. So I want to apply only for the paragraphs which are nested inside the div. Can you please tell? This is the descendant selector I have to use. Okay, inside the div for every paragraph. Are you getting? Inside the div for every paragraph. Font size. Okay, font size. What I have to take, sir? 25 pixel font size I want. Regarding 25 pixel font size I want, like this, right? Now have a look once. Sir. Here let me assignment 2.css is there. Forget about this one. Now that's all. This is what I'm taking, sir. Do you know for every paragraph present inside the div, this is called a descendant, sir. Now 1 minute. Am I remove that comment? Sorry, this is that. Am I removed the CSS comment? Yes, it's already in active only. Don't worry about that. Yes. Now let me go for that CSS, right? Let me go for CSS. Let me refresh. Ayo, 1 minute on. 1 minute. Let me refresh this one. Yes. Have you observed, right? If I refresh inside all div, all paragraphs, how much font is coming? How much font size is coming? 25 font. This is nothing but about 25. But this is the default, maybe 10 or 11. Default maybe 9 or 10 or 11. But here, if you observe that, itself is nothing but 25. 25 by default is going to come. Sir, if you want, I don't want 25, sir. I want 45. I want 45. More font. I want 45. Then automatically bigger font by default you can able to see. Sir, but this one is applicable only for paragraph tags inside a div. Regarding this one is applicable only for paragraphs tags inside a div. Only this one we have. Okay, well. Next, give all piece inside third div blue background and the text color as white. Okay, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Sir, what about my give all piece, give all paragraphs, give all piece inside the third div, inside the third div, blue background, blue background, blue background, and the text color as white. Are you getting? Oh, can you please observe that? Sir, give all piece inside third div. Oh, inside third div. Now we are talking about nth of type. Nth of type. Okay, nth of type. Then what you have to take is, sir, inside div, nth of type, div colon, nth of type. Here nth of type 3, nth of type 3. Okay, like that. So in the third div, like this. Next, every paragraph, are you getting? Every paragraph present inside third div, every paragraph present inside third div, Sir, what background I want? Here background is the blue background, is the blue background, color is white color I want. Blue background, color is white color I want. Is it really going to be affected or not? Now observe that. Now observe. Can you please cross check, sir? Sir, only third div paragraphs. It should reflect only for third div paragraphs, sir. Not everywhere, sir. Not everywhere. Observe that. Observe that. Yes, sir. This is the para inside third div, like this, right? But first div paras, second div paras not affected. First div paras, second div paras not affected. Only for the third div it is affected. Clear, right? Yes. Any doubt? Clear, right? Okay. Next. What I want to take, sir. Next one. Give second p inside third div. Give second p inside the third div, inside the third div, inside third div. Okay, with the 5px, solid red border, Are you getting that? Give second p inside third div, 5px solid red border, like this I have to take, sir. This is about my requirement, sir. Observe, for the second p inside third div, oh, can you please guide? Anyone, can you please guess? Inside third div means I can able to specify like this, nth of type. Okay, third div. Next, second p colon nth of type 2, sir. Nth of type 2, like this I'm taking. Nth of type 3, next nth of type 2, like. Have you observed? In, sir, second paragraph inside third div, like this, right? Sir, what I have to take is border 5px red solid border, 5 pixel red solid border, like this I'm taking, sir. If I can take like, what is the way? If I can take like this, what is the way, sir? What is the way? Observe that. Is it going to reflect that? Is it going to reflect? Just observe that. Observe. Whatever concentration, can you please tell? What is our requirement? Give second p inside the third div, 5px solid red border, 5px solid red border. Yes. Can you please observe? In the third div, for the second paragraph, yes, a 5 pixel solid red border is coming. Correct or not? Yes. Okay. Like, next, one more thing, sir. One more thing. Okay. Here, this is the last. Make em tag. Make em tag in the second p, in the second paragraph. Sorry. Make em tag in the second div, with the white color, 30 pixel, font size, white color 30 pixel font size, and green background. Oh, can you please observe? In the second div, there are 3 paragraphs are there. In every paragraph, em tag is there. em tag is there, but this one should be reflected only for em tag present inside second div. That's why div colon nth of type, div colon nth of type to second div. For which ones are em tag, which properties you want, sir? Color is white, next font size, color is white, font size 30 pixel, font size 30 pixel I have to take. Next background green I have to take, sir. Green background I have to take. Observe carefully, sir. Observe a bit very carefully about this one, sir. Now what is the way like this, right? Now observe this. So for every em tag present inside second div with white color background, font size 30 pixel, next and after that background green we require to take. Now have a look once. Yes, ma'am. Yes, background green, font size 30 pixel, next and after that white color is the text. Like this. Everyone can aware, right? A small hands-on related to the CSS selectors. Okay, the basic selector or advanced selectors, like all the things whatever we covered. Now these two examples better to practice. Yes, after completing this session, immediately this video will be uploaded in the YouTube. Just go through that.